Welcome to the next English podcast orbit.
Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Next English Podcast. Do you understand English? But when it's your turn to speak, you pause, translate every word, and then lose confidence. If that sounds familiar, don't worry. In today's video, you'll learn simple techniques to think directly in English without translating from your native language. Let's get started. 1. Use pictures instead of translation. When you hear the word apple, don't think of the word in your own language. Imagine a red apple in your mind. Train your brain to connect English words with images, not translations. 2. Narrate your day. Talk to yourself in simple English. For example, I am brushing my teeth. I'm making breakfast. I'm going to work. These small sentences help your brain think naturally in English. 3. Learn phrases, not single words. Instead of memorizing happy equals, learn phrases like I'm happy to help. I'm so excited. That sounds great. Native speakers use phrases, not isolated words. 4. Read English every day. Spend just 10 minutes reading easy English books, articles, or stories. Reading helps your brain recognize natural sentence patterns. 5. Listen before you speak. Watch English podcasts, interviews, and conversations every day. The more English you hear, the more naturally you will think in English. 6. Don't fear mistakes. Many learners stay silent because they want perfect English. Remember, fluency comes before perfection. Speak first. Improve later. 7. Practice every day. Even 15 minutes of daily practice is better than studying for 3 hours once a week. Consistency is the secret to fluency. Outro. Thank you for watching Next English Podcast. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and share it with your friends. Keep practicing every day. And remember, don't translate English. Think in English. Speak with confidence. See you in the next episode. Happy learning!